Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can manually save in Clair Obscure Expedition 33. Let's get right into it. So this can be done anywhere where you can access the character menu, and the first step is you're going to want to open that up. On controller, you can press the start button. And you're going to want to navigate to one of the characters, and then click on Show Loon Page. Then you're going to want to go to the Pictos, and then click on the Edit Pictos button. Now you're going to want to pick any picto you have equipped, click on Y to clear the picto slot, then reassign that picto you cleared into the empty slot. After doing that, you can go back, and then you can close the menu. Notice the bottom left corner of the screen? The game did an autosave. The game will autosave after you do that. So if we click on the select button to open up the options, we can then go to load previous saves, and a save was made after we made our picto change. As you can see, if we look down at the taskbar, the time is 15 minutes past 1, which was when the save was made. Meaning it worked. This can be done anywhere where you can access the character menu, and it's a really convenient way to save if you want to save right before a boss, or you just need to go and don't want to lose some progress. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.